Want to get a free Google phone number? Here's how to do it step by step. Google gives you a free virtual phone number using Google Voice. First, open any browser on your device, Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Now go to voice.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Once you're signed in, tap Search to choose your phone number. Enter a city or area code to find available numbers. Pick the number you like and tap Select. Now Google will ask you to verify an existing phone number. This is important. You must link a real phone number to activate your Google number. Enter your current phone number and tap Verify. Google will send you a verification code. Enter the code, and your new Google phone number is ready. You can now make calls, send texts, and receive calls using your Google number without giving out your real phone number. And that's it. Simple, free, and super useful. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Google tips.